Hey everybody, my name is Raymond Powers and I am going to unbox and assemble the Mockins Truck Bed Extender. Straps. Really short instruction list. So the instructions are very simple, very straightforward. You have two options. You can do horizontal, which is what I'm going to do because my kayak's going to be resting in the truck bed, and then I need some extra carrier outside of the tailgate, and that's what's mine is. Mine is going to look like that. So I'm going to have it mounted kind of level with the bed of the truck, and the kayak will ride in the back of the truck. Now, if you wanted it to ride on the top, then you have a vertical option, and that would be you've got a rack on your cab and you need a similar height rack back here. So now we're going to follow these instructions. We have the pin inserted. There we go. Little keepers in. So that's going to wiggle, but it's not going anywhere like any hitch. And then so then the first part is in. So there we go. Okay, I haven't pinned it yet, but here is the extender base installed, and we are going to put a pin right there, and it's going to be this type of pin. I'm sure it has a name, but this is the first time I've ever seen one like that, so that's probably just me. It goes through, and that comes over. All right. There's the bed extender in the receiver, the hitch receiver. I've taken my regular bolt hitch off, obviously. Here's a little connection for the way I'm using it. Here's your goal post, so to speak, where whatever it is you're carrying will rest. This extends out an inch or so past your standard sheet of plywoods. Anyway, it looks good. It's wiggly, but when you use those straps and strap things down tight, ratchet straps are awesome, you should be in good shape. We'll find out tomorrow. Alright, so the kit also included this orange reflective tape, and I've added that. And then I had these in the barn. They're adhesive orange reflectors. They're just the right size for this. So there you go. The Mockins bed extender made loading, unloading, and transporting the kayak a breeze.